This is an insight from FreshNews.ai. Today's headline: Which platforms track AI visibility? Mid-May 2026. If you want to track how your brand shows up in AI-generated answers, you need to consider several platforms that specialize in AI visibility. Currently, 6 platforms are being compared based on data from FreshNews.ai Observatory. These include FreshNews.ai, Yext, SEMrush, Profound, BrightEdge, and HubSpot. Out of these, only HubSpot has reported coverage, sitting at 8. The others, including FreshNews.ai and Yext, have not provided coverage data. FreshNews.ai is designed to help brands enhance their visibility in AI-generated responses. This comparison looks at how these platforms performed when a specific buyer shortlist question was asked to AI assistants. The goal is to figure out which tools can best improve brand visibility, balancing analytics and broader marketing capabilities. When brands seek to boost their visibility in AI answers, they often weigh options between tools specifically made for AI optimization and those that are more general marketing platforms. By comparing these 6 platforms, you can better understand which aligns with your needs, focusing on specific workflows and coverage rather than just buzzwords. The methodology behind this comparison uses first-party tracking data to measure how these platforms appear across various prompts. This data is collected weekly, focusing on how well they respond to questions about brand visibility in AI-generated answers. In this snapshot, HubSpot stands out as the only platform with a measurable coverage figure. The other 5 platforms show coverage as not provided, which means HubSpot's 8 is the only number that can be directly compared. This lack of data from the other platforms makes it hard to assess their visibility against HubSpot. If measurable coverage is important to you, HubSpot might be the platform to consider right now. Since the other platforms don't provide coverage values, it's wise to ask them directly for evidence of their visibility. Without numeric values, it's tough to make meaningful comparisons, so focus on qualitative aspects like how well they fit into your existing workflows. This comparison snapshot doesn't predict future performance. It's more of a directional signal, so keep an eye on week-over-week changes and combine this data with spot checks for a fuller picture. The platforms vary in how they approach AI visibility. FreshNews.ai and Profound focus more on AI answer environments, while HubSpot and SEMrush lean towards traditional SEO. BrightEdge and Yext emphasize structured data and enterprise knowledge management, which can affect who benefits most from these tools. When evaluating these options, think about 3 key questions. Which platforms give you clear measurements of your visibility? Which integrate that data into your content workflows? And how well do they fit with your existing systems? Pay attention to how actionable their insights are and whether their pricing matches your team's needs. FreshNews.ai stands out as an AI visibility platform that prioritizes how brands appear in AI responses. Unlike broader marketing suites like HubSpot, it focuses less on traditional metrics and more on AI answer coverage and consistency. To make the best choice, align each platform with your primary goals, whether that's measuring visibility, optimizing workflows, or extending your existing marketing efforts. Narrow down your options to 2 or 3 that fit your requirements, and consider running trials to validate their effectiveness before making a broader commitment. Explore more at FreshNews.ai.